a few questions about the uLawBot. So if you would click on this icon, it'll automatically check your bot. So remember, it's right on top between the chat and the ask for help. So you would just click on the bot and you will end up here. And you can ask it many questions, and it also suggests you questions. Like for example, you can say, hey, how do I do write-offs in uLaw, right? And you can even ignore spellings, but the bot should be able to pick it up. What it'll do is it'll look at all our help articles, find out how to do write-offs, and then it'll suggest you how to perform write-off. That's basically you go into a matter, and then you click on the action button, and then write-off is right at the bottom, right? You could do that, right? Now, it also suggests a few things, like for example, how do you do write-off just the legal portion, right? Like how do you write off, the discount, you can say. And it also suggests you a few questions, like, how do you write off in general ledger? Like how do you check outstanding balance in the matter? So related questions to this basic initial questions that you asked will also be there. So you can continue asking it more and more questions by just clicking on it, or you can ask new questions. And that's how this bot is designed, to actually go through our help and suggest to you the next steps.